Who is your preferred retailer in the region? Operates in 22 countries and account for 34% of the market share in the region. 188 stores and together with more than 57,000 global workforce. With an annual turnover of $7.4 billion. Biggest chain in Asia and the Middle East. The fastest growing retailer in the GCC. You are absolutely right, we are hyping about LuLu Group International. Founded in the late 1990s, headquartered in Abu Dhabi, the capital of the United Arab Emirates, by the acclaimed business visionary Mr. Yusuf Ali, chairman and managing director of LuLu Group International. Established with a common goal of retail excellence. LuLu Group, world-renowned purveyor of an international business portfolio that ranges from hypermarket operations to shopping mall development, manufacturing and food processing, wholesale and distribution, hospitality and tourism and real estate development. Operating in 22 countries located across the Middle East, Asia, US, and Europe, sources items from about 400 local suppliers and sources 75% of its fruits and vegetables through direct imports from more than 25 countries, with more than 100,000 SKU in each store. Considering the level of growth, it's pretty obvious the amount of effort they had to put together. Nevertheless, let's shed some light on key strategies implemented by LuLu. First, information technology. One of LuLu's key strengths is innovation, thus, on the technologic front, LuLu is one of the early adopters of new technologies, thereby facilitating more convenience to its employees, staff, HR and customers. The title of Customer Center of Excellence is a result of the group's strategic move of the SAP ERP suite. Three main technologies used by LuLu. A. Supply chain innovation. LuLu's warehouse management systems to have automated store replenishment to distribution center using mobile computers and pick-to-voice technologies. This improved their level of efficiency and effectiveness in managing their SKU. B. Intelligent building management systems. LuLu being the first to deploy intelligent building management systems, reducing the carbon footprint, which includes energy management, facility management and more. C. First to deploy wireless technologies in retail operations, an SAP Business Intelligence Accelerator and Explorer in the region. Second key success strategy is state-of-the-art logistics facility. They have 9 centers with a total area of staggering 11 million square feet. Imports are streamlined with merchandise categories and the group has its own manufacturing and outsourcing facilities spread across East and Southeast Asia, the Indian subcontinent and Africa. The state-of-the-art logistics center in Abu Dhabi and Dubai with regional hubs in different countries help to seamlessly integrate multi-level functions and real-time decision-making in order to maintain optimum levels of stocks at all times. With one of the largest fleet of modern delivery vehicles, the group today effectively manages the stock position in its vast network of retail stores across the region. The third key strategy is customer-centric and the retail excellence. With a global workforce of more than 57,000 consists of 41 nationalities, LuLu represents a multi-ethnic workforce which enables them to understand the needs of the cosmopolitan customer community that characterizes the Gulf region. This helps LuLu to build a closer relationship with its customers. After all, the outcome is expensive, and they are. LuLu being ranked by Forbes as one of the top 10 companies in the Arab world. Also ranked as number 1 hypermarket chain in the Middle East by Planet Retail UK. On top of that, LuLu is also ranked as 9th fastest growing retailer in the world by Deloitte. And many more. A great business success was probably never attained by chasing the dollar, but is due to pride in one's work and the passion. The pride makes business an art.